How to delete your Spotify account permanently. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in this guide video I'll show you the way on how you can delete your Spotify account permanently and not just switch to the free version. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. In order to close and delete our Spotify account, go ahead and launch the Spotify application first of all. I currently have a premium account on Spotify and I can switch to the free version, but without switching as well, you can completely remove your account. To do that, first tap on the gear icon on the top right corner, and here you will see all sorts of various options. You just have to scroll and find the option called support over here, which means that we're going to contact the Spotify support team. Tap on support and we'll basically be taken to this browser of the help page. Now in the search box over here, you're going to search for the keyword called closing account. So just go ahead and type in close your account or anything as such. You'll see all this type of relating options. So just type in the option called closing and you'll see this. So tap on closing your account result. As you can see, if you've got premium and if you don't have premium. If you don't have premium and you want to delete your Spotify free account, tap on the close your account button. But since I have a premium account, to delete our premium account permanently, I'll tap on the close your account button over here. As I do that, you'll see this kind of interface which says that after you close your account, we will email you a link which you can use to reactivate it within 7 days. But even if in 7 days you don't tap on it to reactivate it, you will permanently lose access to your account, your subscriptions, your song histories, and so on. So what you have to do is just tap on the proceed to close my account button over here. As you tap on proceed to close my account, it will ask you for a confirmation basically once again. So let's go ahead and see what this is going to tell us. So as over here, you can see that we have to contact the support team directly, which means the live chat feature. So basically you just have to select the option called close my account, and they will basically take your request into consideration. You have to talk to them, they'll get back to you, and just like that you can see someone is actually typing, and this way you'll be able to successfully delete your Spotify account permanently. And this is how you can delete our Spotify account permanently. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.